Want to keep certain apps private on your phone? I'll show you the built-in way to hide any app on Android in seconds. Let's jump right in. Here is how to use your Android's built-in feature to hide apps from your home screen and app drawer. Open your phone settings. In the search bar at the top, type Hide. You can also find this option manually by going to Settings, Privacy, and Security. This may be called Privacy or Security on some phones. Look for and tap on the feature named Hide Apps or App Lock. You will see a list of all your installed applications. Simply tap to select the app or game you want to hide. Confirm your choice. The selected app will now disappear from your main app list. And just like that, you've secured your privacy. If you found this tip useful, please tap the like button. It really helps support the channel. Have another Android trick you want to learn? Let me know your topic suggestions in the comments. For more helpful guides. Check the playlist on the screen now and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.